This is a phenomenal recovery, I must say. And as we have seen the figures, in the first quarter, it went down by 6.8%. In the second quarter, it recovered by 3.2%. And now we have the figures for the third quarter, which is close to 5% growth. This indeed is a very, very positive recovery by Chinese economy. But I must say that fight against COVID-19 and economic recovery are interlinked. If economy is recovering and showing its resilience, it is basically because of the way, the effective mechanism, the policies which were used to contain the spread of and the dangers of COVID-19. So the economy is resilient, the leadership is responsive, and the people are responsible. That has led China to record immediate and notable recovery in its economic activity and growth. My estimation is that Chinese contribution to global economy in 2021 will be close to half or even more. And when I say this, I look at not only the economic activity that will be taking place inside China's boundaries, but also the contribution that China will be making through mega Belt and Road initiative projects in many other countries. So many developing countries will also be driven by the Chinese investments in Belt and Road initiative. So in my view, 2021 will be the year which will manifest the centrality, global centrality of Chinese economy in overall global economic order. The whole world, the whole supply chains, the whole global trade, the globalization forces, they all will be looking towards China, and China's contribution will be close to half of global recovery in 2021.